Alright guys, so by now you should have watched the Number Rock video on triangles. I've also created an anchor chart just like I did with the quadrilaterals, and I've uploaded it to this document here, and there's a link on your Google Slides here that says triangles anchor chart, so you can access this as needed. So I have it broken down by lengths of sides and types of angles. So if we're classifying triangles by the lengths of sides, this triangle has 0 congruent sides. So you need to understand what the word congruent means. Congruent means equal, the same length. So none of these sides of this triangle are the same length. So there are 0 congruent sides. Okay? Look at the middle triangle. This triangle has 3 congruent sides. That means all 3 of these sides are the exact same length. That is called an equilateral triangle. Okay? And then the last triangle by sides has 2 congruent sides, so only 2 of the sides are the same length. This is an isosceles triangle, okay? So equilateral, pretty easy to remember because it's all equal. All the sides are equal, equilateral. Okay, isosceles and scalene you're going to have to focus on. Isosceles has 2 sides that are the same, that are congruent, and scalene has none. None are congruent. All right, so look at the types of angles. This triangle has one right angle. If it has at least one right angle, it's going to be a right triangle, okay? We have our acute triangle, and every angle that it has to be acute, okay? And then your obtuse triangle will have just one obtuse angle, okay? So the reason why the acute triangle has to have 3 acute angles is because this is an acute angle and this is an acute angle, but it has one obtuse angle, so that knocks it out of being an acute triangle and makes it an obtuse triangle. And same thing here, this is acute and this is acute, but this is right. So it having just that one right angle knocked it out of being an acute triangle and made it the right triangle. So remember, an acute triangle must have 3 acute angles, okay? All right, guys, good luck.